In this video, I'll show you how to mark an invoice as unpaid in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the second option, which is for sales. Now, under sales, you want to head over to the second option and click on invoices. And once you are on the invoices section, what we need to do is simply head over to the top and click on the fifth tab so we can see all of our paid invoices. Now, what you want to do is simply head over to the invoice in which you want to mark as unpaid. Let's say we want to do this for the very last, which is Rex Media Group. Click on that invoice. Now, once you are on the invoice section, you want to scroll down until you find the total amount. Now, in here, we have the total on the right-hand side, the exact amount. And at the bottom, you will find the option for less. Now, beside less should be a hyperlink for the exact payment. So just simply click on it. Now, that will open a new tab for the transaction payment. From here, what we need to do is simply head over to the top and right-hand side and click on the options button. And at the bottom, you will find an option to remove and redo. Once you click on remove and redo, it will take you back to the invoice section. And as you can see, at the top and left corner, it is no longer marked as paid and is marked as an awaiting payment. If we head over back to our invoices section and head to the paid tab, which is the fourth tab, you will see that Rex Media Group will no longer be on the paid tab. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.